Welcome, Jungle Explorers. It's me, Chuck E. Cheese. Do you want to go on an awesome adventure to find the rare hippoplatypus with me? Great. Then be sure to keep your eyes open for him.
Hippoplatypus.
Huh?
Hippoplatypus.
Hey, that hippoplatypus has my hat. Come on, we gotta get it back. Keep your eyes on him, explorers. Don't let him get away. Oh boy, is that a family of snakes? Let's jump and grab that vine. Whoa, this is bananas. And speaking of bananas, look out. Swing to the left. Whoa. Now swing to the right. Nicely done, explorers. Uh-oh, these jungle leaves are too big to pass through. Whoa, did you see that? That tiger makes getting through those leaves look so easy. Come on, explorers, get those paws up like this, because we're gonna swipe through these leaves like a tiger. Get ready. Swipe to the right, left, right, left. Swipe to the right, left, right, left. Swipe right, left, right, left. Faster, right, left, and roar! Yeah, we made it out of the jungle. Look, it's the hippoplatypus.
Hippoplatypus.
And my hat. Well, see you later, Stripes. Time to set sail. We'll catch up to that hippoplatypus in no time. Just use your paddles to help guide us down the river. Look out! River rocks up ahead. Paddle right. Now paddle left. Almost there. Paddle right. One more time. Paddle to the center. Phew. Great teamwork, explorers. We really rocked that one. You see what I did there? I was, uh-oh. This does not sound good. Oh no! Those boulders are blocking our way out.
Hi, Chucky!
Munch, is that you?
In the fur. Just taking Beulah here out for a walk through the temple.
Do you think you could lend us a hand?
How about a trunk? Do your stuff, Beulah.
We can be mighty elephants too. Raise those trunks up high in the air like this, explorers, and follow us to move these boulders. Trunks down, up, toss to the right.
Oh, yeah!
Trunks down, up, toss to the left. Keep going. Trunks down, up, toss to the right. One more time. Trunks down, up, toss to the left. Look at that. We cleared the exit to the temple. Later, Munch, and thanks.
Don't mention it. By the way, watch out for the waterfall.
Waterfall? Not to worry. I have a plan. Help me out just one more time by spreading your arms out like a bird. And after I count to 3, we're all gonna jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! An explorer always comes prepared. We did it! We found the home of the hippoplatypus. And look, there's my hat. Oh, there we go. Now where's that silly hippoplatypus?
Surprise!
Well, what do you know? That hippoplatypus had this whole adventure planned all along.
Yep, because if there's one thing a hippoplatypus likes to do, it's throw a wild party.
Well, what are we waiting for? Come on and dance with us, everyone!
La 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 la.